How are you and why do you think that is?
Well, I'm good. Been a busy few weeks.
Okay.
But I would say probably people are more interested in foreign policy
Nowadays.
And maybe they'll come to watch you. So
I mean, geopolitics is one of those subjects that people have been lapping up only recently, but lapping it up heavily. And you're the poster boy for everything that's happening correct geopolitically for India.
okay, that's good to know. But in a way, it's natural. Look, what do we do most of the time? You get up in the morning. First thing you do is reach out for your phone, right? And see what is it you missed when you're sleeping. Now, what it's done is it has connected us completely to the world.
Yeah.
And because of the phone, and then you build everything around it, once you start getting used to global content and global comparisons, then, what you eat, what you read, what you think, everything becomes global.
Yeah.
So that's why they call it globalization.
Okay. Simple question for you. Who is Dr. S. Jaishankar, the man? Like that people don't know. I'll tell you why. Right now, you're very popular on shorts and reels for your very aggressive comebacks and your very aggressive responses. And in many ways, I feel like Virat Kohli and yourself are the faces of young India in some ways. This is how young India
There's a slight age difference between us.
No, but you're still the guy young India is like cheering for. When we see you up there talking to all these people from other countries, we're like, yep, that's the response that they should get.
Look, I'm a trained diplomat whose general SOP is, play it cool, sort of don't make too many waves, etc. Now, partly I've transitioned into being a political face, okay? But even I would say the diplomatic side of me, which is still very deep, after all, I've done it for 45 years, maybe more now. It's like this, I'm very nice to people who are nice to me. When I get pushed, I think it's natural to push back. And one of the things that has been happening to a bit is in the last year and a half, people have been pushing us a bit, So I feel, it's you brought up Virat Kohli cricket analogy, if you get a few bouncers, you want to do something with it, no?
Hit that pull shot.
Yeah.
Okay. When you say the sentence, when I get pushed, in many ways, your I get pushed is actually when India gets pushed.
Absolutely.
And you are the personification of India on a global scale.